Alright, this one, you need to notice that both of these functions have a cosine in them, so we should factor a cosine out. When we do that, what do we get? Well, pull that cosine of theta out front, what's left behind? In that first term, we're left with 2 sine of theta. And that's, oops, and then we're subtracting the second term. When you pull that cosine out, you're left with just a 1, a minus 1. Check that real quick. Cosine theta times 2 sine theta is 2 cos theta sine theta. Cosine theta times negative 1 is negative cosine theta, and that equals 0. So now we have a 0 product property here. We need to know, when does cosine theta equal 0? And when does 2 sine of theta minus 1 equal 0? Well, let's do this one first. Cosine theta, unit circle, cosine theta is 0 when it's either straight up or straight down. So that will give us theta equals either pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. Then over here, let's manipulate this. 2 sine theta equals positive 1 by adding 1, and then sine theta equals 1/2. Well, when does sine equal 1/2? Well, certainly right there at pi over 6, and then equivalently right there at 5 pi over 6. So we get those two values, and we're done. So in order to do these problems, you need to know how to factor, just like we learned previously, but now we're doing it with actual trig functions. And you also need to be very familiar with the values on the unit circle.